Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, today we have the first Samsung product with us. It took us a while, but we finally got it. And we have their latest and the most recent launch in the tablet family. Now, I know we're going to get the folding, the Flip, the Z Fold and the earbuds and the Galaxy Watch as well very soon. But at least something to start with Samsung with. So we have the Samsung Tab S7 FE with us. So we're going to open this box, find out what's inside it, tell you all about it, test it, and then tell you again all about it. And probably compare it with some of the other brands of tablets as well, if we get to keep it for a little longer. So I'm going to straight away get on to opening it. But before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon right over there. So you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivation that I need to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. And just to let you know, we're also there on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and our handle is @GreatLobbyist. So go do check us out there and share and spread the love of GL over there as well. And on the web, we are on www.greatlobbyist.com. So guys, getting straight on to ripping this packaging off. I'm going to be back again soon. Peace. Hello guys, I'm back and we are going to start unboxing the first Samsung product on our channel, and we have the new and the latest Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So I'm not going to make you wait on how this video looks like from inside, and I'm going to go straight on to ripping this plastic, taking it out of the box and show you how it looks and what the box packs for us. And my favorite yellow cutter, as always, not going anywhere. And we rip the plastic out. Voila. That goes inside. And we open the box. And there's one more seal we need to take out. Right here. Two of those. So as we take this out from here, and on the other side as well, here we go, and we have the box opened. Voila! Straight away some stickery thingies, and we have the tab right at it. Let's take this out from the opening. We have to tear this off as well, it seems. Or maybe there's a sticker. No. Oh, this is also sealed pack, very nicely done. We need probably another cutter for this. Wow. And we're going to use our hands to rip the rest of this out and take this beauty. All good things. Oh, there was an opening. Ah, that's alright, I believe. Wait for that. And we have the frozen back. Look at that. This is beautiful. As you look, here we go. We got the camera. We got some buttons, the volume toggle on off switch. Speakers on this side, along with one of the microphones here. On the other side, we got the speaker and the USB Type-C cable. And at the bottom, we got the magnetic tag for the keyboard in case you want to use it. So here you go. So that's one. Then, of course, we don't need to mention. So this is the second thing. And then we have the power adapter, which is Type A, and this is fast charging adapter, and we will tell you in the review what's the voltage on that. Then under that we've got the cable, Type A to Type C for charging, and then we have the paperwork kept on the other side. So there's a SIM card pin We'll find out where the SIM card tray on that is, and that's paperwork, rest of it, so we don't need that bit. Close that, put this out, put this back in, and close the lid on this boy. So guys, here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 7 S7 FE. A beautiful looking machine, and there is the SIM card tray I was telling you we were looking for, right on top, and with a couple of microphones as well. So we're going to tell you all about this in the next section of the video, so don't go anywhere, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you can keep watching us and we keep getting all the love from you. Cheers. Hello guys, I'm back again, and we've just finished unboxing and setting up of the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. What a gorgeous looking piece is this. A very simplistic and elegant design, very minimalistic camera at the back, but it looks gorgeous. It's got great screen and something amazing under the hood as well, and I'm going to start telling you all about it. And it comes with amazing S Pen as well, which is magnetically charging right here on top when we put it on. And it comes with two physical switches, a physical button which activates the S Pen menu, which is magic, which you will see in the footage right here. So we're going to put this back here, and I'm going to turn this on, put the code, and voila, we've got a great piece of hardware. 12.4 inches of TFT display with 84.6% screen to body ratio. What a beautiful piece of hardware it is in the front. And on the body, we've got a USB Type-C port right here for charging and for connectivity, speaker and microphone on the other side. On top, we've got the volume toggle right here, on-off switch, and right here under is the SIM card tray, which also acts as a SD card holder as well. You can put in micro SD card as well. So one SIM, one micro SD card in the same in the same tray. So beautiful as it is. I'm going to quickly turn this on again and set up not to go to sleep. Beautiful, isn't it? 1600 by 2560 pixels of resolution in a 16:10 ratio, which gives you a little bit extra height as against the 16:9 ratio, so which is fantastic. 243 ppi density, so great when it comes to the screen experience. If you look at it, it's beautiful, swift and smooth as it can be. Under the hood, we've got Android 11 built, and then One UI 3.1. Qualcomm Snapdragon SM7225, which is Snapdragon 750G, 5G, 8 and chipset. A lot of power under the hood for an FE variant. It's an Octa-Core Processor. It's got two 2.2 gigahertz gyros, 570s and 1.8 gigahertz Kairos 570, Cryo 570s as well. Adreno 619 on the GPU. So great under the hood, a lot of power, great visual experience with Adreno 619. It's going to be amazing. Micro SD card, it goes right in the SIM card slot. Let me see if I can find a pin and take it out for you and show it to you once again. I've got a pin right here. So I'm going to remove the pencil, put it in the SIM card tray and get this out. If you will see, it has the micro SD card slot and the mini SIM card slot as well. So this is fantastic. 64 GB with 4 GB RAM as one variant, and we have 6 GB with 128 and 8 GB with 256. So 3 variants with a lot of power. When it comes to the main camera, it's an 8 megapixel camera, a very minimalistic camera design, keeping that nobody wants to take pictures except for from the tablet, except for a few emergency cases. And this is a 1080p camera, so you're getting an HD resolution, very minimalistic, very elegant design, keeping it very neat and clean. On the front, we've got 8 megapixel autofocus, giving you again 1080p on the video at 30 frames per second. So your video communications with the front selfie camera right on the top, which is a pinhole in the center, is gonna be absolutely brilliant with the 5 megapixel camera. So 8 megapixel at the back, 5 megapixels in the front, which is decent enough. And it's got 4 speaker setup, which is stereo speakers, and they are tuned by AKG. So the sound quality on this is going to be fantastic. I'm going to turn it on the YouTube channel and see if we can listen to something which can help us give an idea on what kind of audio quality we can expect. So we're going to go search for something very simple and elegant, or one of my favorite songs. Let's get this ad out of the way. On the audio, and a great 4-speaker AKG effect is felt straight out. You can feel the vibration and when you listen to the music on tablet, telling you what kind of how the bass and trebles are coming out. Fantastic stuff out there as well. Of course, Samsung DeX compatible. I'm sharing some footage here where we've done wireless connectivity using Samsung DeX, tethering the screen onto my laptop, which is absolutely brilliant. Basically, you can do everything what you want to do on the phone from your laptop screen using Samsung DeX. Now, they were a physical hardware before, now it's a software-based solution, which is amazing. Why would anyone need to spend any extra bucks on getting an additional piece of hardware when wireless can do the job equally well? So that is brilliant. Huge battery, 10,090 mAh. And it comes with fast charging 45 watt adapter, and it has basically means you can charge up the whole battery in about 2 hours time, or a little more maybe. But that is a good to last for about 3 to 4 days. It's got huge battery life. Beautiful colored options: Mystic Black, Mystic Silver, and Mystic Green, and Mystic Pink. So 4 Mystic options in a very mystic, beautiful looking hardware. Simple unibody design, minimalistic camera housing, slim, very slim form factor is quite fascinating, and the speaker quality is amazing. Now, Dolby Atmos makes it even more interesting. With the Octa-Core Processor, you can have a decent enough gaming experience on the tablet as well. Though 750G is not purely designed for gaming, but it can do the job for at least some games if you're not looking for too much of basically amateurs and beginners can definitely enjoy their experience of playing some PUBG on the tablet as well. And when it comes to micro SD card, the beauty part is that no matter which variant you buy, it supports up to 1 terabyte of storage on the micro SD card. So you can find a micro SD card with 1 terabyte. you got yourself a full-fledged laptop with a lot of storage, so you can store your games. 5G is there, and quick charge, beautiful stuff, and S Pen is always fantastic. With one press of the button, your S Pen menu gets activated, as you will see right here, and then it is as good the S Pen can get. It is fantastic. So whether it's Smart Select, taking a portion of the screen using a circular mode. So let's try to take this, and you got yourself Smart Screen. And if we want to write on top of it, just select the pencil option and you can write on top, and then you can share it using the share button right here. Great stuff with the S Pen. No doubts there. It's got handwriting to text option as well, so you can make your notes and convert them into typed text, and which makes it your life easier, specifically taking minutes of the meeting or taking notes in your class. So I think for people on the go and students, it is a fantastic mid-range tablet from Samsung. I'm quite excited about it. I'm going to use it for the next few days. And if there is any question that you might have, please let me know. Just drop in a message at the bottom and we'll get that answered for you. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. And if you are on Instagram, do follow us there as well. We're also there on TikTok and YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. Handle is at Great Lobbyist on the web, www.greatlobbyist.com. This is your friend GL. Keep yourself safe. Signing off with Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Peace.